Brad Pitt is in great nick for his age. Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. 今回はイギリス人しか通じない英語のスラングを紹介します。Nick と聞いたら何を思い浮かべますか？こういう肉じゃないですよ。これも違いますね。これは29ですね。イギリス人が大好きなニックはですね、意味が3パターンあります。日常会話によく出てくる言葉ですので、これを理解できると、海外ドラマや映画がどんどん楽しくなりますね。今から英語でレッスンをしますね。Today's special guests are Betsy Cheddar, Schoolboy Scott、あとは最後に宿題を忘れないでくださいね。Okay, let's get this show on the road. Part 1. To be in good nick means to be in good condition. This can be used for things and also for people. This sofa is in good nick. This lady is in good nick for her age. For things, it's usually used for stuff that would get broken or damaged over time. This textbook isn't in very good nick. I picked up this old guitar from a charity shop, but it's still in pretty good nick. So this is a very common expression to talk about something which it's not in perfect condition, but it's still very usable. My granddad's car is 50 years old and still running. He keeps it in good nick. So to keep something in good nick means it is very well maintained. I've dropped my smartphone about 1,000,000 times, but it's still in good nick. So even although you would expect it to be damaged or to get broken, we can say it's still in good nick. Let's see how to use it for talking about older people who are still active and healthy. My grandma is 94 and still does her own shopping. She's in good nick for her age. So we often use the expression in good nick for plus some kind of expression. In good nick for 94. In good nick for an old lady. In good nick for a pensioner. I hope I'll still be in good nick by the time I retire. I want to enjoy my life. Again, for people, we can use the expression still in good nick. I can't believe you're 75. You're in great nick for 75. What's your secret? I'm sure we all want to be in great nick for as long as possible. Wouldn't you agree? Let's take a look at a key point. So in the negative way, we don't say in bad nick. My car is in bad nick. Sounds funny. We always say not in good nick. My car is not in very good nick.
You're right. I'll be 76 next year, you know. Yeah, but you're not interested in that, no. I'm in good nick for me age, you know. I go down the shops 3 times a week. Got a car. Our car, you know, it's 30 years old. Yeah. Still in good nick, though, which is more than I can say for my husband. It's his knees, you know, his knees. Terrible knees. Give him terrible jip.
We can also use nick as a verb. It means to steal. It can be used for big things and also for little things. From a car to a chocolate biscuit. I had my car nicked last year. In the UK, unfortunately, this is a very common crime. When I go to the toilet, don't nick my spot on the couch. I hear this a lot in my house. In the UK, we often use the word couch instead of sofa. We were broken into last night. They nicked my TV, my PlayStation, and my new Apple Watch. So to get broken into or to be broken into means for the thief to come into your house and to nick some of your stuff.
Biscuits? Oh, I love biscuits, especially the chocolate ones. Yes, but my brother, he always nicks my biscuits.
Oh, biscuits. Oh, Scott, give me a biscuit. I'm starving.
Yes, he always nicks them. Mom, he's nicking my biscuits. I only had one.
The next way of using nick is again as a verb. It means to arrest someone. You'll often hear this one in British police dramas such as Line of Duty, Criminal UK, Bodyguard. By the way, you can enjoy all of these dramas on Netflix. And the most famous line of all is,
You're nicked.
the drug dealer was nicked in front of King's Cross Station in London. If you drink and drive in the UK, you'll get yourself nicked and lose your license. So this is also called drink driving in the UK. In the US, it's called drunk driving. But the official terminology used by the police is DUI, driving under the influence of alcohol. You'll often hear that one on the police dramas, DUI. I saw 2 police officers nicking a young lady for being drunk and disorderly. Serves her right. So serves her right means she got what she deserved. Oh, and one more point. The police station is often referred to as the Nick. Right, Sonny, you're under arrest. We're taking you down the Nick. It's homework time. Are you ready for a wee bit of homework? Okay, so I'm going to give you a Japanese sentence and I want you to change it into a beautiful English sentence, okay? コメント欄のところにこの日本語を英語にしてくださいね。Okay? Here it comes. It says, うちの息子はホームセンターで万引きして逮捕されました。Now that is a story, isn't it? Okay? あとは何かわからないことがありましたらね、ぜひコメント欄のところに何でも聞いてくださいね。Okay? Thanks very much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.